Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is diminish. It's pronounced D-mi-nish, and it is spelt D-I-M-I-N-I-S-H. Think dim, then in, and then ish. Diminish means to make or become less. For example, you could say, my pocket money diminished as I started to buy sweets every day. Diminished comes from the old French word diminuer, meaning make small, from the Latin diminuere, meaning to break into small pieces. While diminish does not mean to literally break something into small pieces today, it does mean to reduce or lessen. One way that you could reduce or lessen something would be to break it into smaller pieces. There are a number of species which are diminishing in the wild. These animals are listed as either threatened or endangered, meaning that their number in the world has diminished so much that they are at risk of disappearing altogether. These include rhinos, tigers, orangutans, elephants, and blue whales. We need to do everything we can to stop these species from diminishing further. Diminish is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, her fall diminished the chance of her winning the race. Diminish is defined in the dictionary as to reduce or be reduced in size or importance. Diminish's synonyms include decrease, decline, reduce, lessen, shrink, and contract. Antonyms include develop, enlarge, expand, extend, grow, increase, and prolong. See if you can notice anything diminishing today. If you're currently sat eating breakfast, or maybe even dinner, look at the amount of food you have. With every mouthful, your portion of food will diminish slightly. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.